Are you wondering how to decorate your home interior with plants? Are you looking for new, creative and trendy decorating ideas? Maybe our video can help you. You will discover here amazing and great ways that can help you to decorate your own living space with plants. Hi, my name is Lulu and I'm your narrator for today's video. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you for coming today. If you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe. We are also appreciating if you give us a like. Do you want an urban jungle in your living space, but you don't know how to do it? Then now it's your hour. There are so many ideas in our video. Decorating with plants is not too complicated. More than that, you can use easy care plants. You can find them asking any professional florist. After all, our goal is to present you beautiful and creative decorating ideas and new trends in the interior design, not a botanic course. And speaking about trends, adding plants to your home interior design is classic, timeless, and always a trend in home decorating at the same time. Yeah, green is always trendy. Houseplants bring life into your home with their lush green hues. Set beautiful color accent on any color combination background and fit into any interior decor, regardless the style or size. Indoor plants look beautiful and improve the look of the decor with their splashes of color. They also increase well-being, having a calming effect. I was asking you earlier if you want an urban jungle in your home interior. The term urban jungle describes a green oasis in a city apartment decor that can be created in the living room, bedroom or balcony. The goal of the urban jungle movement is to create a relaxing green oasis inside of your home interior. You will have the feeling to be closer to the nature and outdoors without having an outdoor weekend. It is simple and easy to do with the help of various houseplants. Basically, all the indoor plants have their natural decoration and great fascinating look. However, in addition to that, there are many ways to beautifully stage and increase their natural beauty. And here it comes the important role of the interior decorator. A smart interior decorator will use many decorative tricks and accessories, from beautiful ceramic pots to baskets and pedestals, to increase the look of your green oasis. Check out our amazing image selection of decorative ideas from this video and find the right idea for your own living space. Before starting your decorating project, do not forget that a plant is a living thing, not just a decorative element. The most beautiful green oasis has no visual effect if the vitality of plants from the composition suffers. So pay attention to the vital necessities of the plants. Make sure that you use large pots. They have enough space for leaves. They have plenty of natural light and they are not exposed to too much moisture. Some houseplants have wonderful flowers, others have long shoots and are fit for hanging baskets, others stand out because of their large leaves, while many other indoor plants are simply and efficiently used to green your home interior. You can add to their natural beauty with small investment and little effort. In conclusion, decorating with beautiful houseplants brings coziness and freshness into your home decor and improve your health and quality of your life. You can place plants both indoors and outdoors, on terraces, patios, and balconies. Be inspired by these spectacular decorating ideas from our video. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comments section. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.